Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to remote start an Infiniti QX60. In this video tutorial, I'll be going over the basics of using the key fob. This will be a simple key fob tutorial, and I'll be showing you how to use the remote start feature. If you take a look over there, right over there, that's the Infiniti QX60 over there. And I'm going to use this key fob right here to remote start it. So it's very simple. It's a very simple process. You want to just make sure that the vehicle is locked. That's obviously going to be your primary concern. So just hit the lock button, make sure that it's locked. And then what you want to do is you want to just hold down this little circular icon right here, because that is actually the remote starting icon. So you want to hold it down. So I'm going to turn the camera towards the vehicle, and I'm just going to hold it down just to show you that it is indeed starting. So check this out. I'm just sorry about the poor lighting, but this is the best that I could do in this situation. So just hold this down, make sure that's locked. Once again, hold it down, and as you can see, just give it a quick second. All right, you see the tail lights have turned on. That means indeed that the vehicle has been started. It's very simple. And then obviously at this point you can just go in the vehicle and, start it officially with the key and then turn it to start driving it. But that's it. It's a very simple process. If you want to remote start an Infiniti QX60, that is how you do it. Once again, make sure that the doors are locked. That's the first thing you got to do. So lock it, and then just hold down this button to start the engine. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.